In this video, it will show you guys step by step how you can get free tags for your YouTube videos for free without investing any money in any paid software or any paid website. This will be for free, so let's get started. So all you have to do, you just need to go to your Google account, go and open Google like this, and click over here on the search and search for this website. Search for rapid tags. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link like this, and here you go, you will be directly in this website homepage. It's for free. You guys just need to click over here on use tag generator, and here you go, put the topic that your video is talking about. For example, let's say my video is talking about affiliate marketing. I will click on the search here, and here you go. This is your tags for free that you can copy from here and go and use it for your videos so you can get more views and grow your YouTube channel fast using tags and using just this free website. It's for free. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's how we can use free tags for your YouTube videos, and that's it, and see you in my next videos.